Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete natural conversation for ordering food in English. I will be voicing both the server and the customer so you can hear exactly how the exchange flows from start to finish. Let's begin. First, let's cover the arrival. You walk in and a host or server will greet you. It usually sounds like, "Hi there, welcome. Do you have a reservation?" As the customer, you have two simple options. If you do, you would say, "Yes, under the name Johnson." Or, if you don't, "No, we don't. A table for two, please." Once seated, the server will come to take your drink order. The interaction sounds like this. "Hello, can I get you something to drink to start? I will have a sparkling water, please." "Of course, and for you?" "Just a coffee for me, thank you." Now for the main order, the server will check if you are ready. "Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?" This is a very common question. If you need time, you say, "We need a few more minutes, please." And when you are ready, you can say, "Yes, we are ready." Let's listen to a full ordering sequence. Pay attention to the structure and the polite phrases. "What would you like for your main course?" "I will have the cheeseburger, please." "Great choice. Would you like fries or salad with that?" "Fries, please." "And how would you like your burger cooked?" "Medium, thank you." Here are some other essential phrases you might use. I'll say them as the customer. To ask a question, "Could you tell me what the soup of the day is?" For a recommendation, "What do you recommend?" For dietary needs, "Does this dish contain any nuts?" To change an order, "Could I get that without onions, please?" For later, "Could we get two boxes to go, please?" Let's continue and finish the order. Often, the server will ask if that's everything. "Can I get you anything else to start?" "No, that's all for now, thanks." During the meal, a server might check in. It sounds like this. "How is everything tasting over here?" "It's delicious, thank you." When you are finished and ready for the bill, you can signal and say, "Excuse me, could we get the check, please?" "Of course, I will bring that right over." And when they deliver it, "Here you are. I'll take this whenever you are ready. Thank you very much." And that is a complete polite conversation for ordering food. Notice the constant use of please and thank you. It makes the interaction smooth and friendly. The structure is simple: greet, order, ask questions if needed, and request the bill. The best way to learn is to listen, then try it yourself. Listen to this conversation one more time and then imagine yourself in the customer's seat. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what other everyday conversations you would like me to break down. Thanks for watching.